I'm going now to make here my today's Bitcoin analysis and my expectations for the coming week based on current conditions of Bitcoin, the SEC ETF. We have seen today, on Sunday especially, that Bitcoin tried to break this distribution at around 44.61 based on my indicators. I am bullish on Bitcoin, and Bitcoin tried once to reach that point, but filled the gap, and the reaction was that for short term the sellers pushed down the market to the POC, as we can see here. And now, shortly before close and Asia opening, Bitcoin started to lose more than 2% from 44,000 and nearly 300 back to 43,705 currently, and aims to reach the next levels at around 43,511. The next level, if breaking down, will be at around 40,257 and 42,750. This is near or the breakout of the last week, as we see here, at around 42,454, which was at the end of the year, or 31st of December, beginning of the last week. And the last week opened already above that level, and also try to accumulate at this area. My suggestion is that I see that Bitcoin in the past had started this very explosive jump up, and if we connect all the lows together, we see that the range is putting higher. We have here permanently week to week higher lows, but also if we compare the highs, we see that in the new year we still are in an uptrend. So this is not, of course, the only indicator I'm using, but based on price action, I see personally that Bitcoin is going higher. To me, the very important levels are 44,611, and if Bitcoin is going to break that, the next target to me for Bitcoin will be then 45,669 to 45,710. So where do I have now possibilities to buy? So I'm waiting, because we are in an uptrend. I'm waiting until Bitcoin is testing the levels at around 43,236. Then the next level will we're at around 42,792. The next one is 42,221. And ideally, if Bitcoin is back to around 41,122, especially because this week we have at the end of the week, not at the beginning. So it's beginning with Wednesday this week, the very important data will be released, and we can see how the US dollar is reacting. At the same time, or also the bond auctions. We have 3 days in a row the bond auction. So, and they will affect, of course, the dollar index and the US dollar, and that will also influence the movement or the move of the Bitcoin. So these are the levels I'm waiting for to cover my longs, as based on my strategy. I am buying the dip, but only in direction of the trend, and based on my indicators and based on my point of view, Bitcoin is in an uptrend. So for day traders, it is not interesting, but to me it is interesting because I'm a trend follower, but I'm using also sometimes the day levels and the trading levels to cover or position size my positions. So I wish you having a very good week. If you are going higher, again, the levels are, we have here a very strong gap to fill. The problem with Bitcoin is that Bitcoin has twice to feel, first of all, this sharp move and also this one. And we have seen that yesterday, after the sharp fall down, the buyers who has been started the bullish trend at this level and deeper, they are going now to defend all their distribution positions. We see also in the past, especially at these key levels, Bitcoin had very good possibilities to go higher, but the shorts or the bears had a lot of difficulties. So, breaking of this triangle, I won't sell that. Instead, I'm waiting until Bitcoin is reaching again these key levels at around 40,158, or hopefully deeper. And then I expecting a sharp reaction of the bulls, a retest of this level, and then I will buy the market and I let it go. That would be only the case if my personal indicators do not suddenly give me the opposite signal or the short signal. As long as all these level moves and reaching and testing the levels are congruent with my trading trend following signals, meaning it is happening, and on the same time my trading strategy or trading system gives me the signal, yes, the trend is still bullish based on my indicators. only then I would take those buy positions or entries. All right. As you're not familiar with my trading system, this is of course no recommendation that you copy my trades. And if you do, you will do it based on your own responsibility, because I don't take any responsibility for other people's trades. I just take responsibility and I'm responsible for my own trades. But maybe for some, this trading analysis can help also to see the market from the other perspective and point of view. Have a good day and thank you.